Hey AV Pros, welcome back to Azar Pixels channel. Today we got a 2.5mm indoor Gloshine tile on the bench. You can see right away, these are two busted pixels that need to be replaced. First, we mark the damaged pixels so we know exactly where to work. Then we gently remove the bad pixel. We take our time here to make sure nothing else gets damaged. Next up, we clean the base. After that, we install the new pixels. This part needs steady hands and a lot of focus. Luckily, we're experts in this area. Once the new pixels are in, we clean the area once again. Keeping it clean helps avoid future issues. Now it's time for the full signal test. This helps us catch any problems before we call it done. When everything checks out, we place the shaders back. They sit perfectly and blend right in. And finally, one last test because we prioritize quality service. This tile is now good as new, like nothing ever happened. By the way, this was a rush job. We got a batch of modules like this and finished them all in the same day, ahead of the deadline. If you got modules sitting around waiting to be fixed, we got you. Book a repair with azarpixel.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.